Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing and then also show you how to set up the Wi-Fi for this smart Wi-Fi air quality detector. This is CO2 or carbon dioxide detector, as well as humidity and temperature. So it's a complete air quality monitor, and it's portable, or you can mount it. It's really cool. Comes in obviously very plain, simple box, simple packaging, but we're going to open up that box and take a look at what comes inside. So here you have your instruction manual that shows you how to use it and what all the different measurements mean. So there's that. And then let's take the little box out first and take a look at that. This is your power cord or your charging cord. Again, it is portable rechargeable, and it's USB Type-C, which is great. And nice long cord, so you can leave it hooked up to power if you want to, or you can just use the battery and then recharge it when the battery gets low. And then this is the device itself, and again, this is a smart Wi-Fi device, so it has the highest quality CO2 adapter or monitor on the market, and then it also is rechargeable and smart to connect to Wi-Fi, so you can monitor stuff you can see on the display, but you can also monitor in the app as well. You can see it has on the back here screw mount, so you can mount this to the wall permanently if you want to. The USB Type-C port is on the side here to plug it in to charge it or power it. And this is the screen. Nice size display, not too big, so easily portable. Like if you wanted to, it will just sit down. So if you wanted to like keep this at home but take it to work every now and again to monitor your air quality where you work, you could do that. Here on the top you've got your buttons, a plus button, a minus button, and a power button. And then I'm going to guess that's probably going to be a little LED indicator, is probably what that is. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. I'm going to charge this up, and then I'm going to show you how you connect this, how you get this set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so now that we are all charged up, I'm going to long press the power button to power on, and we are powered on. And so now you have to install the Smart Life or Tuya app. You can do either one. They're basically the same app, but called Tuya or Smart Life. And I have the Smart Life app because I use it for all of my smart home stuff, so I'm going to stick with that. And you can see it automatically detected that this device was there. So I'm going to add it. Just click add and add it. If that didn't happen, because that might not happen for you. If that doesn't happen for you, you can long press the minus button, and that would make the little Wi-Fi icon start to flash, and then you would go into here, and you should be able to go through the steps then. If it doesn't detect it automatically, also I'm just going to click plus, and right now it's going to verify my Wi-Fi, so I'm going to say yes, that's the right Wi-Fi, and then it's going to connect to Wi-Fi. Bluetooth has to be on your phone. That's how it connected to this. It connects to this through Bluetooth, and then and you can see the Wi-Fi showed up, and that's because now it knows that it knows my Wi-Fi knows how to connect to Wi-Fi, which means that even if I was away from home, I could access this and look at this. I'm going to click the edit button and change the name so that you can make it something CO2, no, let's just say air quality. And the reason I'm going to say that is because my Smart Life app is also connected to my Alexa stuff, so I might be able to ask Alexa to read information off of here. That's something I'll have to try later. But you can see now that it is connected, it's transmitting the readings to here, the temperature, humidity. You can also go in here to set the alarm and all that smart stuff and different settings, change the unit conversion, all that good stuff. So it's all available for you, and that's how you do it. Again, my app, because I already had the app, it just detected it right away. If yours doesn't, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on your phone. Long press that minus button until the Wi-Fi symbol starts flashing. Then go in here and open the Tuya Smart Life app, and it may detect it automatically. If it doesn't detect it automatically, click the plus button, click add device, and then you scroll down and find the device in here and click the device and then go through. That's more of a manual way to do it if you need to, but very fairly simple to get set up through the Smart Life for Tuya app. And now I'm connected to this app, to this device through the app through Wi-Fi, which is great. So that is going to be it for the unboxing and setup video. Just wanted to show you what comes in the box and then show you how to quickly get it set up to Wi-Fi. Once again, if your Smart Life for Tuya app doesn't detect it automatically, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on your phone, and you might need to long press that minus button in order to turn Wi-Fi on, and it'll be flashing, which means it's looking to connect, and then the app should detect it automatically. But if it doesn't, you just click the plus button up here, click add device, and then go through, find the device. It might be under, I think it's under sensors, but find the device on here and add it, and then go through the steps, and it'll add it that way as well. Anyway, that's going to be it for the unboxing and setup video. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews, including a full review and demo of this CO2 monitor. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.